Hey friends, if you encounter the error IQRL underscore GT underscore 0 underscore AT underscore system underscore service top error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all the drivers. How? Search for, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane. Click on optional updates. If you notice any optional update, select it and click on download and install. Then it will install the updates, and once it is done, you can also update Windows. The next solution is to run a checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. This will fix the issue for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.